Good afternoon, welcome to Mr. Yuhan Cabinet. So ito pong unit na WE High Kappa T-Rex 5.1 color black. So may available din po tayo nito na color silver. Yan, so non-slip grip. Nakamagbol na din po yan. So ito yung trigger guard. So may railings, pwedeng lagyan ng laser or flashlight. Yan, so may serration sa front and rear slide. So may compensator, naka fiber optic, front and rear slide sight. Yan, so mga markings wet and 0.45 ACV markings. Yan, so mga markings po yan. Half adjustable, powered by green gas, syempre. Yan, so toy only, so may bibis na po yan. Then gas, so crown check po natin. Yan, so may mga markings po yan. Yan, so crown check po natin. So kasa, release. Alright, so crown check. Yan po yung kanyang FPS 353.8 FPS. So po yung kanyang FPS, no? Lakas po na kanyang FPS. WE High Kappa T-Rex 5.1 color black. Yan, thank you. Gandang unit. Lakas.